Hey everyone, today I want to talk to you about repairs on a house. So I get asked all the time by sellers if they should fix up their house before they sell it. So almost always the answer is no. And I do my best to talk people out of repairs. Have you ever seen or heard of someone, they renovated their house and a buyer comes along and buys it and then rips all the brand new stuff out and throws it in the trash and puts their own touch on it? So we see that a lot, unfortunately, and the seller just threw away tens of thousands of dollars without getting any more money out of the property. So any money you put into the property, the return on investment is always less than 100%, almost always. So the things you can do are clean and bright are the number one thing that gets you more money for the house without hardly any money. You can do minor fixes while on the market. I wouldn't wait to put your house on the market. Paint may be a good idea, may not. Always talk to your real estate agent before you go painting anything, especially, if a room is painted black, we probably want you to brighten that up a little bit, Try at all costs to avoid any capital expenditures before you sell. So these do not add value. So capital expenditures are like roofing, gutters, foundation or crawl space, windows, doors, HVAC, electrical, plumbing. All those things are required of a house and they don't add any more value. A buyer expects those things to be working. And a lot of that stuff will get uncovered during inspections. And that's kind of a second round of negotiation. But I wouldn't put a bunch of money into a house that you wouldn't ever see out of it, So hope that helps you with doing fix-ups and repairs. If you have any questions on any of that, don't hesitate to give me a call. Hope you all have a great day.